Hello children, hope all are doing good. Can you see what did I get today? I got one box and one card. Do you want to know what is inside the box? Let's open the box and see. So children, can you see what did I get from the box? I got number 3. Number 3. Also I got few cloth pins. How many cloth pins? 1, 2, 3. 3 cloth pins. I got sketch pens. How many sketch pens? 1, 2, 3. 3 sketch pens. I got balloons. How many balloons? 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons. I got few birds. How many birds? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds. I got few buttons. 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons. Children, did you see? All these items are 3 in numbers. Can you count? Your finger. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. Show me your 3 fingers. Very nice. Now let's see the card. Children, can you see these apples? Can you count how many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples are there. Number 3. Let's trace number 3 with finger. One curve, another curve. Number 3. Let us trace number 3 in our sand tray. Curve, another curve. Number 3. Let's do it again. One closed curve, another closed curve, and stop. Number 3. Now we will learn how to write number 3. First, open your palm. Close these 2 fingers. Open these 3 fingers. Now make alligator mouth. Let's bite the pencil like this. Now grab the pencil. Okay, let's trace the number 3. One curve, another curve. Number 3. One curve, another curve, and stop. Number 3. One curve, another curve, stop. Number 3. So children, hope you learned about number 3 and enjoyed. Thank you. Bye bye.